Hello, lovely. This is Yasmin Varaji from Tiny Time Big Results, and today I want to talk to you about how to make the most of your thank you page. Thank you page is when the page that somebody lands on when they have got your opt-in gift, your lead magnet. So they put their name and email address in, and boom, they go to a thank you page. Now, don't let this just be a generic thanks for signing up page. This is really valuable real estate property, if you like, in terms of your marketing strategy. Okay, because firstly, they want to know more. They have cared enough to give you their email address. So you have their attention. And the thank you page is really about capitalizing on that attention and letting them really increase that know, like, and trust with you, and also an opportunity for you to build connection with that person. It's such a simple strategy, but I promise you this will really help you to leverage your time and to make the most of that interaction. Now, the reality is that you could have people signing up for your free gift, your lead magnet, all the time. If you've got paid advertising going on, if you're constantly promoting it. So this is your opportunity to build that relationship with that person. And the beauty of it is that once you've done it once, then it just performs for you again and again and again. So people want to know more, they're interested, they've put their hand up and said, Yasmin, give me more. Okay, so this is fantastic. So what can you put on the thank you page that will really capture their attention, hold their attention, build the know, like, and trust factor, and build a really strong rapport with you? Well, there's a few things that you can do. I'm not saying that you have to do all of them. Like with anything, you've got to make sure that it fits in with you and that it works for you. But here are some ideas about how you can make your thank you page work for you. So first of all, I always do acknowledge that they have actually signed up and say, thank you for signing up. I'm delighted that you have. So you're kind of giving them a little bit of, I suppose, recognition for the fact that they have signed up. So that's great. Now, what I like to do as well is include a link for the download. So if it's a cheat sheet or a, like an ebook or a guide or something like that, then what I like to do is say, click this link and you'll get the download. The reason why I like to do this is because they're really interested right now. So the last thing that you want them to do is to then go off and look for their emails, and maybe the email system takes a few minutes. Here they get instant gratification, so they can click the download and they go, oh, there it is. Now I also put that you'll get this by email as well, because that's the whole point of your lead magnet, is so that you can build your email list. So they will get it through email, but it just means that they get it there and then, and boom, you've satiated their desire for your freebie. Then if you have, these are some of the ideas that you can do. So if you are, really looking to build that connection, video works tremendously well for this. I know you've heard this a million times. Video really does work because it allows you to be able to really connect with that person, and to see them in, kind of the personality that they have, and all that good stuff. So video works really well. So you might want to include a short, literally like maybe 10-15-second video and say, woohoo, you're in, I'm so great, I'm so grateful that you've signed up, I'm so thankful that you've signed up, whatever you want to say. And that it's an opportunity for you to really make an impact on that person. So you say, hey, thank you so much for signing up. Below you'll find all the details that you need, and if you ever have any questions, boom, 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 that's it. Then what you could also do is you could invite them to join your Facebook group, for example, if you have a Facebook group, or like my page. So you're giving them the next step. What I also, you might want to think about doing is maybe giving them links to some of your blogs. Now, I'm giving you a lot of ideas here. It doesn't mean to say that you put them all on this thank you page, because you don't want to overwhelm them. That's the last thing that you want. However, you might have a number of different lead magnets, so you might want to try different strategies and see what works really well. You literally might want to say, here's the download, join my Facebook group. That's it. Or here's the download, here's some blogs that you might enjoy, a short video, and here's the download. That's all you're looking to, you don't have to do a ton of stuff on this thank you page. But I don't want you just to have a generic thank you, it's coming your way. Think of it as the fact that you've got this person's attention, They want to know more at this point, and they are really hot at this stage because they've just signed up for your freebie. So make the most of this interaction and just think, what do I really want them to do? You know, maybe it's the next step, as in booking a quick session with you. It could be anything. It depends, of course, on your business. But I want you just to think about, okay, how can I increase the know, like, and trust factor with this person? And how can I do it quickly? And how can I make the most of my thank you page? I hope that's helped you today. I would love for you to go back and look at your thank you pages, and you know, maybe there's a couple of little tiny tweaks that you can make to really make your thank you page pop for your dream client, the one that's just signed up for your freebie. And remember, whenever, you know, when somebody takes your free stuff or your paid stuff, you want them to feel really good about the interaction and about the engagement working with you, whether it's, again, free or paid. You want them to feel good about it. So this is all about reinforcing the decision that they've just made to sign up for your free gift and your lead magnet. Okay, tell me what you think. Have you gone and made some changes? Do you do this already? What do you find? I'd love to hear from you, so be sure to put your thoughts and questions and comments below, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Take care.